Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here today to show you my first attempt at hand dyeing Aida fabric. I have been wanting to do this for quite a long time, and what made me want to do this is because I do, as most of you know, a lot of kits. Although probably in the last 3 or 4 months I have been doing patterns that are not kitted up. But anyway, I do have a lot of kits that I will be doing. And, you know, in the kits there's either white Aida, cream Aida, or ivory Aida. And, you know, I got to thinking, you know, I would like to have some color sometimes with the patterns that I am doing. You know, I just don't want white or cream or Aida. Maybe I want some blue fabric behind this pattern. And so I was researching, and I didn't want to just do it like with the Ritz and all of that. So I decided that I would do the shaving cream, and that I used the Tulip Soft Fabric Permanent Paint for mine. And this was a first attempt. As I said, I will show you what I dyed. It's a long way from perfect. I basically did it to see if the color would hold, to kind of check out the different designs that I could make, to see how much pressure, what I had to do to completely cover the fabric. But it was a very fast process. And I think the total dyeing process of what I did took me probably a half an hour at the most. Then I let them sit overnight, and then the next day I heat sealed them to hold the color. And then after that I let them sit for about an hour, and then I put them in some Dawn dishwashing liquid, lukewarm water, and then rinse them off. And none of them faded in the water whatsoever. The water was clear as when I put it in there. So for me, it's a quick way to color fabric without having to go the other way with the RIT dye and all of that. And I got all of it was a pack of, I think, 10 of them, and I got them for like, I think, $6.99. And I went to the Dollar Tree and got me a can of the Barbasol shaving cream for $1. So for $6, and I've got plenty of paint left. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my first attempt. And I only did one side of the fabric. This is just testing to see. And I will use these in like mini projects. This is all mini swatches of fabric. So I will use these with my mini kits. But this is the first one. This is orange and yellow. And I do like this. It covered pretty well. So this is orange and yellow. You can see light traces of the yellow in here. But this one looks really good. I like that one. And I like this one as well. This was just, it was like a reddish pink color. This was just one color. but I like how this one looked. As I can see, there is some of the fabric is showing. This is stuff that I was just experimenting with, but I will use the fabric. So there's this one, and this one looks good. I like that one as well. Now this, you're going to see a lot of fabric. And this is one color, it's orange. But you can see lots of fabric in this one. So this helped me to kind of see what I needed to do, how I needed to do the patterning of the paint. And here's another one with a lot of fabric showing, but I will use these. These will be good for the ornaments and things that I make. So these will be used. But I have learned a lot from doing this. And then here's one that is darker, but there is still fabric showing in different places. And then I had this long blue piece left from something that I had made, so I did a blue one. And here's the blue one. It got really good up here, and then as it worked down, it got more and more fabric showing, like over in here. So there is this one, but like I said, I will use it. So that's my first attempt. Now, how I did this was I got cardboard. I squirted the shaving cream on the cardboard, smoothed it out, dropped the paint on top of the shaving cream, got me a fork and made design throughout, and then I took the fabric and I placed it down on top of it, and then I just used my fingers and kind of smushed it in there, lifted it off, the design was on there, put it on another cardboard. I took a ruler with a straight edge and I kind of squeegeed it. I squeegeed off all of the excess the shaving cream and the fabric paint. And then I left it alone to dry. That's all I did with it. So that is the steps. Now, this is what I got for $1, and it's almost completely full still after doing these. Barbizol Original, and this I got at Dollar Tree. So I used this. And then I got this. Of course, it all fell out. I got the Tulip. And I got these on Amazon. Hold on just a second. Hold them shut so they don't fall out because I used some. But I got this, the Tulip Soft Brush On Fabric Paint. And this is what I used to create the hand-dyed pieces that I showed you. Some of them I used too, like I used these two together. And then I used these two, the orange and the yellow. And then the green and the blue together. But if you don't want to go to all of the extreme of, and here they are up close. If you don't want to go to all the extreme of the writ and doing it that way, this is a great alternative. It just takes practice, and I will be doing another series of them in about a week, and I will come on and show you those as well. So anyway, yeah, I got these off Amazon. I'm going to have a link to these down below. I have become an affiliate of Amazon. I do believe in this product, and I will continue to use these because they do work. They do not, I put them in the water. I kept them in there for about 20 minutes, and they held fast. So they have me completely wanting to use these. So anyway, the link is down below, but you can use it for anything you want. You don't have to use the link for this stuff. You can get whatever you like through the link. So anyway, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching my first attempt, or seeing my first attempt at hand dyeing fabric using shaving cream and permanent fabric paint. So until the next video, have a great day.